Right, I welcome you all. The problem reads, allocate the centroid y bar over the homogeneous solid formed by revolving the shaded area about the y-axis. This problem is coming from the Engineering Mechanics Statics 13th edition by R.C. Benam. So here we are just interested in the y bar because the rest of the axes are just passing through the center. So this is equal to integral y cubed dv. We're dealing with some volume there. Okay. Alright. And we know that our dv in this particular case will be equal to pi r squared dz, right? And this will be where r is also equal to z, right? Okay, so let's get a small strip. This is one way of solving this. So we are going to get a strip of thickness, alright, of thickness like so. Okay, there we go. So we've gotten this. This is our thickness, and this is the radius. Call this radius r. Okay, so this is going to have some thickness. Let's call this thickness along the y axis. Okay, so let's call this as our dy. Okay, so if this was a solid, and then what else do we need to define here? The centroid location of this along the y to just be here like so. The centermost there. Okay. So this one, let's call this as y bar. This is equal to y. Alright. And then our dv therefore will be equal to pi r squared. Okay. Pi r squared times the thickness dy. So if r is, in our case here, if r is equal to y, our dv will be equal to, no, not y, sorry. If r is equal to z along that, our dv will be equal to pi z squared dy. Okay. Alright. Is that okay? So now let's write down. So we'll say y bar is equal to integral of y cubed dv. Okay, integral dv. So this, we can write this again, integral of this y cubed y cubed is just y, and then the v is pi z squared, okay, dy. Alright, and then this one there, it is just pi z squared dy, and we are along the y-axis, therefore we are integrating from 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Y bar, therefore this is just going to be equal to so we know what z is. Z squared is just equal to 1 over 4 y. Therefore y bar will just be equal to integral 0 to 1 0 to 1 y. Okay, let me factor out the constant. So I'll have pi integral 0 to 1 y 1 over 4 y squared, okay, this is the multiply, okay, then dy, right? So this and this, then divided by pi 0 to 1 1 over 4. So the 4 we can even transfer it out there, but we can leave it for now. Y dy. Okay, so we'll have pi over 4, that's y to the power 3 divided by 3, okay, 0 to 1, and then we have pi over 4 y squared divided by 2. Okay, there we go, like so. Then this just becomes, we'll have our y is just equal to, if we solve this just becomes 1 divided by 3 divided by 0.5. So this becomes a 0.6 0.67, okay, 0.67 meters, okay, 7 meters. All right, I think this is about it. We've calculated the value of y bar, and I think this is about it, and I hope this particular video was helpful, and if it was, give me thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing and sharing my channel. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next screencast.